Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Espresso EX token. Ticker symbol is COF, and I assume that is short for coffee. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting November 24th. We're going to go over the information on the COF token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, COF is the ticker symbol. Now, this token is being listed November 24th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search COF, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Espresso EX is a cutting-edge decentralized finance protocol that facilitates permissionless derivative trading across a vast array of over 10,000 assets, including those traded on leading centralized exchanges and decentralized platforms like Uniswap. Now, this token is on the Arbitrum blockchain. They have a total supply of 200 million COF tokens. So far, they have only 118 holders and 18 decimal places on this token. This is a very brand new token. And COF is short for coffee there. So Espresso EX enables seamless integration and trading experiences for users. Much like its contemporary, it offers users low-fee transactions and minimal price slippage in a secure and centralized environment. Espresso EX also offers liquidity providers the opportunity to earn through various streams, such as fees from market making, swapping, and margin trading activities. The protocol ensures reliable and dynamic pricing by incorporating data from Chainlink oracles and compiling price feeds from high-volume exchanges, ensuring that traders have access to the most accurate market rates. So the mechanisms. At Espresso EX, liquidity providers play a pivotal role in shaping the trading landscape by voluntarily committing their assets to provide liquidity, taking on the role of counterparties to traders for an array of specific assets, diverging from the conventional model seen in perpetual decentralized exchanges, where all LP pools and their liquidity into a single repository. Espresso EX adopts an innovative approach by dedicating individual pools to each asset. This strategic separation mitigates risk across different assets and fosters an environment conducive to liquidity provision, particularly beneficial for newly launched assets seeking market presence. Espresso EX extends the autonomy to LPs by offering a tiered fee structure, allowing them to choose from 5 distinct fee levels. The arrangement ensures that pools with lower fees gain precedence in trader matching, thereby incentivizing LPs to weigh their risk against potential returns. The result is a dynamic marketplace where LPs are motivated to find an optimal balance, fostering a competitive yet risk-aware ecosystem. Espresso EX is engineered with the vision to deliver a diverse array of tradable assets while simultaneously driving down costs, hence providing traders with a spectrum of choices that align with their interests. The platform's commitment to blending variety of affordability is geared toward cultivating a trading environment that prizes choice diversity and financial efficiency. So there is oracles. Espresso EX prioritizes delivering an expansive and secure trading environment, striving to maintain compatibility with a multitude of digital assets while harnessing the most reliable oracle services. Currently, Espresso EX encompasses all the assets that are compatible with Chainlink, ensuring our platform remains robust and versatile. Beyond this, we've incorporated a variety of assets available on major central exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase, widening our offering to users. Espresso EX takes the integrity and trading on decentralized platforms seriously, where assets that do not trade on conventional exchanges may face specific risks. To counteract these risks and defend our community of traders and liquidity providers against possible market volatility and manipulation, Espresso EX has implemented an advanced price security feature. When our users engage in transactions with such assets, they will be met with a clear warning indicator next to the asset's price. With price security activated, the trading price is not immediately reflective of the oracle's reported price. Rather, it is determined using a safeguarded approach that adopts the lesser value between the oracle's price and the time-weighted average price over the next 30 blocks. This methodology enhances the resilience of our pricing mechanism, fostering a safer trading landscape for all of our platform participants. Now, if you want to learn about liquidity, the pool design, adding and removing liquidity, you can do that on their page here. They have a different token, it looks like, involved the EX, what is it, EXLP? That one here, so EXLP token, that is here. Each liquidity pool is represented by its own unique LP tokens, which are EXLP tokens. So those are the liquidity pool tokens. But the token economy for the COF token here, we pretty much went over the initial stuff there on their Arbiscan. But let's see here. There's a different locking period for different tokens. So there's a VECOF token, which enables voting power and governance. So you can acquire that one by staking your COF token. You get those tokens, and then you can get involved with governance. But the COF token is allocated like this. So 10% goes to community, 47% goes to liquidity incentive, 5% ecosystem fund, 5% DAO, 5% liquidity pool, 3% public offering, 10% team, 15% investors. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about the COF token and Espresso EX? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.